Ever heard of Comoros? No? Well, you're about to fall in love. Picture this. Untouched beaches with turquoise waters, perfect for a serene escape. Comoros is a paradise for nature lovers, offering encounters with sea turtles and even the world's largest bat, the Livingstone's fruit bat. Feeling adventurous? Hike up Mount Carthala, an active volcano, or explore the virgin rainforests on stunning trails. And if you're into culture, Comoros blends Arab, African and French influences, seen in vibrant markets and historic mosques. Island hopping here means diving into diverse experiences on Grand Comore, Anjouan and Moheli, each with its unique charm. So pack your bags and escape to paradise. Visit Comoros, where adventure meets tranquility.